Cancer is a serious illness that happens when certain cells in the body start to grow in an abnormal way. These cells can grow and spread to different parts of the body, causing harm. It can affect different organs like lungs, breast, colon, prostate, and skin. It can be caused by different things like genetics, exposure to certain chemicals, and lifestyle choices. The good news is that with early detection and proper treatment, many people can successfully manage and treat cancer. But it still remains one of the leading causes of death in the world, and scientists keep researching new ways to prevent, detect, and treat it. There are certain foods that have been linked to an increased risk of cancer and are recommended to be limited in a healthy diet. Before we go into further details about cancer-causing foods, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you find our content informative and engaging. Do share and stay updated on our latest videos. 1. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats. These meats have been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. 2. Fried foods such as French fries and fried chicken. These foods are high in calories and can lead to weight gain, which is a risk factor for cancer. 3. Sugary drinks such as soda and energy drinks. These drinks have been linked to an increased risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes, which are both risk factors for cancer. 4. Refined carbohydrates such as white bread and pasta. These foods are high in sugar and can lead to weight gain, which is a risk factor for cancer. 5. Alcoholic beverages. Consuming alcohol in excessive amounts can increase the risk of various types of cancer, including breast, colon, and liver cancer. 6. Grilled and smoked meats. When meat is cooked at high temperatures, it produces cancer-causing chemicals called heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAs, that can increase the risk of cancer. 7. Hydrogenated oils, trans fats. These oils have been linked to an increased risk of cancer and are found in many processed foods such as cookies, crackers, and fried foods. 8. Red meat. Consuming large amounts of red meat, such as beef, pork, and lamb, has been linked to an increased risk of colon and stomach cancer. 9. Salt-preserved foods. Consuming large amounts of salted, pickled, or fermented foods has been linked to an increased risk of stomach cancer. 10. Charred foods. Eating foods that have been burnt or charred, such as grilled or barbecued meats, can increase the risk of cancer due to the formation of cancer-causing chemicals. 11. High-fat dairy products. Consuming large amounts of high-fat dairy products, such as butter, cheese, and cream, has been linked to an increased risk of breast cancer. 12. Refined sugar. Consuming large amounts of refined sugar, such as in soft drinks and sweets, has been linked to an increased risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes, which are risk factors for cancer. 13. Canned foods. Consuming canned foods that contain bisphenol A BPA, a chemical used to line the cans to preserve the food, has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. It is important to note that even these foods can be consumed in small amounts, and it's the excessive consumption that can be a problem. A balanced diet that includes a variety of different foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, is important to maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of cancer. Thank you for watching.